Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with T-Mobile Magenta Plan, full guide step by step clearly. To register with the T-Mobile Magenta Plan, begin by gathering necessary information. This includes your personal details such as name, address, and date of birth. Next, make sure you have a valid email address. You will also need a form of payment, such as a credit or debit card. Visit the T-Mobile website or open the T-Mobile app on your device. Locate the Plans section on the homepage. Select the Magenta Plan to learn more about its features and pricing. Click on the Get Started or Sign Up Now button. You will be prompted to enter your personal information. Fill out the form accurately with the details you gathered earlier. Once you've completed the form, review all information for any mistakes. Then, you will be asked to select a device if needed. Choose whether you want to bring your own device or purchase a new one. If you opt for a new device, browse through the available options. Add the selected device to your cart. Proceed to the payment section after confirming your choices. Enter your payment information carefully. Be sure to provide a billing address that matches your payment method. After entering your payment details, review your order one last time. If everything is correct, submit your registration. You will receive confirmation via email once your registration is successful. In case you encounter any issues, T-Mobile customer support is available for assistance. Now, you can enjoy all the benefits of your new T-Mobile Magenta Plan. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.